Mukana wa munene wa borithi JAPHETH KOOME kuri arigitani ni undu wa mirurungano yao no uthiete na mbere na kwagirwo kiene umuthi kiama kia Mawakiri LSKE gigitetera arigitani na kuuga matikoretwo makiuna watho o wothe riria maratabania mirurungano. Ndumiriri-ini yao mawakiri maugite ona thengia wa KOOME kuuga mirurungano ni iracungiriria muhatikano munene barabara-ini itiganite ni wigiririki wa honge cia ugitiri gwethera ahuthiria barabara njira iria mabataire kuhuthira riria mirurungano iratabanio. Amwe arigitani ni makoretwo makimenyithia honge cia borithi barabara iria makuhuthira. Hamwe noguo mawakiri aya moigite ni wigiririki wa honge cia ugitiri gutigirira mirurungano ni yatabanio na njira itarathoga thayu wa muingi, kuria ningi maugite gutiri arwaru magithitio thayu kuona mirurungano iyo ikoretwo igitabanirio kuraya na mathibitari.
If there's any law against vuvuzelas and whistles, we need to be ready for, and we need to take it to court, not just writing statements.
Ona gukiri uguo atongoria kiama-ini kia arigitani gia KMPDU undu umwe na gia clinical officers maugite no meguthie na mbere na mirurungano yao kwambiriria muthenya wa rucio magitariria thirikari ndironania wendi wa guthikiriria makaya mao mirurungano o taino igitwarithirio na mbere kaunti-ini ya Uasin Gishu.
Not willing to relent if anyone is thinking that by using the government machinery to continue intimidating healthcare workers and sending condescending statement to the media.
After the 2017 strike, the government signed a return to work formula with the union, and it took another 2 months for the CBA to be negotiated and registered. So it was not signed under duress.
Maya magithiaga na mbere muikariri gite kiama-ini kia ene thibitari cia andu kiumbe ndagitari Brian Lishenga ni uritie thirikari gwetha kihonia kia mathina maria magumeire sekta ya ugima wa mwiri kuona arwaru nio makoretwo makiherithika.
To appeal to the players involved to come to their senses. If it is money that is needed for NHIF, release the money. If it is negotiation with doctors, come to an agreement.
The CS Labour is being insincere because she put up a conciliatory committee that invited us last week on Thursday. The governor has never appeared. So basically, who is on strike here? Government.
Lishenga hamwe noguo ni ahoete thirikari kurekereria kigina gia kandi ya NHIF kuri thibitari cia andu kiumbe niguo kumahotithia gukinyaniria motungata kuri muingi.
The more the delay, the more people suffer because it is them who walked out. It is them who have the powers to call for the meetings. For us, is to stay on strike and stay at home. We cannot do any harm to any patients when you are at home. You only do harm to a patient before you.
Handu-ini ha KAMEME TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.